I'm through long. Or
It's
cat.
catwalk.
Bench. Ooh. Deep CT. What? Up top, upstairs. One more top.
He was running. He's through.
Through,
Take it.
through.
Three.
Nice!
Oh, get fucking.
This guy says
Dick.
3 like I need more than 3.
Well, but
I'm letting it bark. One more.
just Kojo likes to sit up top mid for 4 minutes fighting. It's terrifying.
I'll do it again right now.
Get a fucking.
Please don't.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Just take one shot, fall off like a normal
Fuck you,
human
no.
being.
Laying down a smoke.
Fuck!
One mid.
Throwing a grenade.
Stairs.
I just hit him with that smoke. Or Molly. Nade.
Down. Holding T stairs.
Nice.
Bomb
Bravo's in
wrapping.
CT spawn.
Elbow peeked
B
me.
player, then 14 health. Let's get
Shot.
14 fucking health.
Nice shot.
B is closed. Alright, that's it. I'm hitting this guy this time.
Good one. You got him.
One out market, out market.
Target loud.
Oh my god, John! Oh, I'm gonna jerk you off, dude.
Roger that.
Stairs is low.
Yeah, he blind.
Triple.
Triple.
Default.
Inside.
Default triple and stairs.
Triple dead.
Nice.
Got all this.
I didn't mean to buy that.
Yes.
Hey Nate, is that you in your pick?
Male porch.
Smoke shield.
Okay.
One was side hall early.
Hey,
Fucking USPing. What the fuck is going on over there?
They just forgot it was me.
Take it. Give me your little.
Do you want this?
Thanks. I like those. 53.
Fuck that guy.
So he toggled?
There's actually a really good chance. Okay.
Huh.
Maybe.
Wild pig.
Maybe.
Wild pig. Can you flash or something? No.
I have no utility.
fake. It's hurt.
One more
One
going
mid.
towards window.
He's under the window.
48.
One more dead.
Ramp.
Ramp has gotta be low.
Dead.
Another ramp.
Yeah,
Another
last
ramp.
One bullet.
He's
Shots.
terrified.
Half O.
Nice job, Blue.
It's on the right.
That's right.
Not sure.
Two swing, one more.
Nice shots.
Nice. Nice.
Smoke. Nice.
I'm going.
I think he's trying to jump in the window.
Deploying smoke shield.
No?
Throwing a Molotov.
I thought I heard him.
Flashbang out.
Nice.
Them versus the top crims in the business, and
Good
I'd
game,
say
easy
they're
game?
taking their dacks about fantastic. This is a bloody victimless crime, this is.
Oh, get back! Get back!
Jesus Christ.
He's so
Like, you know it's
bad.
actual anger, too, whenever he's typing.
What was the
that
last
fast.
thing he just said? I missed it.
He said Willard.
He said something after that. You all belong in fucking silver. My brother in Christ, you lost the game. God.
He left you 2 comments and I get none?
Against Silver's on my team while getting your fattest carry. You had no meaningful kills around you.
I replied to his comment with my brother in Christ, I dropped 180R on you, and he came back and looked to see it.
Level 3 face, you're literally not. You're literally human shit. Bro. Just-
It's coming.
Incendiary.
Oh my god,
Oh
he
my.
did lose.
I read lower.
Wait for the type.
Right there.
It's one of those freeload rounds, I guess. Oh,
Oh my god, reported for scripting, by the way.
Sight. Oh my god, 1 minute. Fuck his pussy. Fuck him pussy.
What? I had a place to die!
What? You're behind me. How does that work?
the fucking scream. Which one's the random guy?
Look,
The simmer guy.
all we gotta do is go in there.
He's like, I don't know why any of them are talking. You're all shit.
It's not so bloody hard.
You need to be put to death.
Okay.
They're in hot lobby.
J-Hole. Out. What?
I can't look down far enough, dude!
Out, Vinny.
Deploying smoke shield.
That's... John said, you know what? I fucked up that spray. I'm gonna get this one though.
So you have to win those.
I don't think you got king by accident.
Concrete.
Yes. Concrete.
One window. Oh, hey man. Stairs, top stairs. Dead.
Nice. Oh,
Ace.
TK
round,
just
Eden.
cannot finish.
Oh,
Looking at
88,
it.
man.
I got to make through a wall.
Alright,
Chuck's
Bomb.
got bomb.
Good luck, soldier.
Throwing grenade.
2 apps, 2 apps. Yep. Kind of the capris.
Like a cat.
They get tighter when they saw you.
I'm tight. Oh.
Oh.
I think there's one, at least one more.
On top of car.
Grenade out.
Went back wall.
Also
Long.
long.
Nice.
Let's go.
Opposite team.
4K Franklin, dude.
This guy's working.
Last
I'm gonna
time,
knife him.
A knife, a knife.
Knife.
Knife. I will hit the long peak. They will come, and I will shoot them.
Incendiary out.
Sounds like they got fucking horrible with pistols.
I just can't aim today.
Today?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not.
Ah, okay. Oh!
Flashbang out.
Guys, they're just pushing. We just have to kill them.
Burning. On side.
Truck.
Truck.
Truck roll.
I'm not burning this guy. I'm not wasting my molly on him. This guy's, he has his ESEA linked from 2019. Was the last time he played. That's 5 years.
Math.
4 years. I had to look at the year real quick. I forgot. I haven't written it down in a while.
Blue said, I forgot. Holy shit.
One's back in. First one. You're welcome.
Imagine that fucking one tapped him.
Ran back.
Really?
I'll smoke one.
He planted in the smoke.
Why?
That's pushing around Arch. Dead.
Full running.
There's a big rush.
I feel like these are the type of losers to buy HEs for banana, but we can.
Okay.
Yep.
I needed you. Oh my god. Website.
You're not, you can't.
You are not, you can't. What does that
That's a
even
good
mean?
reply.
Ass. 81.
It's because he didn't jump around the corner.
You're right.
I don't know what they're doing.
Get back!
That
Hanging out.
he was looking at me.
Grocery shopping.
He's like, what's he doing there? She's sweet, but she's psycho. A little bit psycho. At night she's singing, oh mama, 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 oh she's sweet, but she's psycho. Oh sweet, but she's psycho.
Lighten it up.
My mouse went unbound. Oh, I saw him the whole time.
Okay.
I was just watching him.
I'm watching Blue watch this guy, then Blue just gets absolutely pieced in the back of the head.
They fucking human flashbanged me. You're dead.
Nice.
Look at banana.
Coming up, Nana.
Plant the bomb.
How about your brother?
Nice. Those are the 2 half HP guys. Last I know.
Banana.
Nice banana.
Nice.
God, John, just fucking good.
This bomb now.
Good round, John.
Look.
Can you throw me back a AK for kind of me, bro?
Yeah, I can throw it back for you.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
They could be through elbow, by the way, check.
They don't clear me.
Alright.
They're through.
They don't clear me.
Oh,
What the fuck?
Cuck, you're my wasteland princess.
What's that mean?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Okay. Oh, nice.
What the shit?
That guy needs to uninstall for choking that.
Fire in the hole.
I shot a radio.
Knocking butts.
Fire in the hole.
More long.
One more close. See you.
Why are they both holding for me? Bomb down.
Oh, you're so good.
John, you're so fast, dude. Oh. Nice!
Clutch.
Yeah. He's gaming.
Oh shit. Do not see this.
One left.
Where do you think he is?
Heaven.
Think so?
Living free in your head. It's for real estate.
I should have never turned.
Why did you look away? What are you doing?
Did we know it was heaven?
I called heaven because he was there. He was running when I said the words. He was making all the noise in the world.
He said, I asked, where do we think he is? And then we said heaven. Not we know where he is.
You think? That's like sarcasm, because we knew, because everybody heard him.
Oh, I didn't know.
He was literally just stomping around in heaven, strafing.
Oopsies.
Oh, come on! One of these days he's gonna stop cheating.
But not today. Oh my god!
The weird config.
John.
But not today.
Holy shit. Sam got gold number 3, boys.
No way.
Attaboy, Peter.
All?
They're all three around you if you just go B.
How are you allowed to do that? Alright. I'm serious, how are you allowed to do that?
I'll go back A.
He just smoked you. Smoke CT, he's there!
He's not there.
He is.
He's not there. He's there.
Oh, yes. Night. This guy's dead.
We did it!
Did you just leave the game? Was that him too?
I can't believe they would let that happen.
That's not real. That's not
The
real.
fucking panic spin. Oh god.